Hi, I'm Miss Teresa. Welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Box Springs Library. Right now we're celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy version of chilaquiles. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, to get started with this recipe, you're going to need a mug or a cup, something that's microwavable safe. You're obviously going to need some eggs. And then you're going to need some salsa. I just have a jar salsa. If you want to use homemade salsa, go back to a previous video. I did make homemade salsa, red and green. We have some hot sauce. If you don't like cilantro, don't add it. I like cilantro, so we're using cilantro. And then traditionally you would cut up the corn tortillas into fours to fry them. Again, we're not doing that. We're doing simple, easy, ready out the door. So we just bought some corn tortilla chips, okay? Okay, so I know this is not the original traditional way to make chilaquiles. This is a quick, simple way if you're a college student and you only have access to a microwave, or if you need something quick and easy as you're doing your makeup, doing your hair, brushing your teeth, trying to get the kids out the door, that you can throw in the microwave for 3 minutes and feel very confident and safe. It's something that you made that is delicious, quick, and easy. So please don't come at the comments that this is not your traditional chilaquiles. I know that. We're doing quick and simple, easy. So, the first thing you're going to need to do is take your corn tortillas, your chips, okay, just crush them. Not too much. We don't want a powdery dust. We still want some bites into it, but we're just putting some crushed up tortillas into the bowl, okay, into the cup. Now remember, this is your serving, so measure with your heart, okay? However many you want. Alright, so in this cup, I'm going to use this as my mixing cup, okay? So I have 1 egg. So your traditional chilaquiles is made with a fried egg. Our version is made with scrambled eggs because we are using a microwave. If you have time, you could microwave the tortillas and the salsas and the cheese in the microwave, and then fry your egg on the side and then just add it to the top. But that's if you have time. So right now I'm just showing you quick and easy ways to do it in the microwave only. So you can do 2 if you want. But I have 1 egg. And again, measure with your heart, okay? So I have some cilantro. Whoa, my cilantro is falling out. And I'm just going to tear it out to release the oils from it, so that way you'll get that cilantro taste. Some people are cilantro fans, some people are not. They say it tastes like soap. So if you are not a cilantro fan, do not add it. Only add what you want, okay? Alright, so that's my cilantro, my egg. Now again, if you have homemade salsa, use homemade salsa. We're doing quick and easy. We're doing a jar. And again, measure with your heart. Okay? And then we have some hot sauce. If I can get the lid open. Whoa. I think that's a little bit too much heart in that one. Okay, so also traditional, you would have like the queso fresco. I don't have that today. I just have the plain mild cheddar, so that's what we're adding. Alright, just a butter knife. Mix, mix, mix. Looks like that. Pour it into over your tortillas. Alright, so I have that. That's it, yes. So it looks just like that. We're going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes, okay? We'll be right back. Okay guys, depends on your microwave. It may only need 2 minutes. Mine only needed 2 minutes. From there, I would add just a little bit extra salsa. And if you want a little bit extra crunch, you can add a little extra of the tortilla, tortilla chips. But I like it just like that. You can also add sour cream, a couple slices of avocado, however you want. But there you go. So I hope you like this edition of Foodie Friday, the chilaquiles in a jar or in a mug. So until next time, remember to like, comment, share. We love seeing your creations as well. And until next time, bon appetit.